Hi there, I'm Marcos, and today I'm going to be showing you my project for our MAUI class, where we use a database, and specifically we make a shopping cart with products application. Start off with a live demo. Here we have the 4 categories. We click on one of these, we can see the 4 products. We can add some of these to the cart, whatever we want. We can check the shopping cart real quick. You see we have products we just added, the total price, items in the cart. Then we can continue to say, okay, now we want some, say we want some bologna, some cooked ham, 1 coffee, the mocha, bakery, couple loaves of bread, muffin, croissant, bagel, everything. And we can see all of that displayed in the shopping cart. If we scroll down, we can see the total price and how many items we have in our cart. So now taking a look at the actual code, starting off with the MAUI program file, where we, similar to the tutorial, we have a database path products.db3. We have the singleton of that services to create an instance of the product repo. Now let's take a look at the product repo. We create the tables, 4 different tables. We initialize the database by adding all the values that'll be in the database. Then we have functions for each of the tables to get all of the values. We see table fruit to list, deli product to list, coffee to list, and get all from bakery to list. And we also have a function that adds the product to the shopping cart. So whenever the add to shopping cart button is pressed, this function is called, where basically it will convert that into a product. And then we add that product here with the quantity, the total, and then this basically just checks if it's already in there. We're just going to update it. If not, we're going to add it. And then get this shopping cart. Shopping cart is stored here in product repo, which is a list of all the products. Now looking at our database design, we have for fruit, primary key, auto increment ID, max length to 50 unique name, and the unit price. Basically that's all the same for deli product, coffee, and baked good. And then we also made this product class basically just to combine all of them and store them all in one place. It also holds the total quantity and the total price. So now going into our main page, .xaml, we have the 4 buttons, and then we actually have 4 different collection views for each, but they basically just look exactly the same. And then in here we also have the back to categories button here. Now taking a look at our main view model, we have bool properties for each of them to show, which category we're showing, and then observer collections for each of the tables, and then commands for getting the list of products and then adding that to the shopping cart. See, we have our properties. This is where we initialize everything, our commands, and then get fruit. We just call that function in product repo, then set out all our visual properties. Same thing for get deli, get coffee, get bakery. Return to categories, we just update the thing. So basically properties show what is enabled and what is not, or not enabled actually, what is visible and what is not visible. And then here, which like I said, we actually convert this fruit object into a product object and then add that to the shopping cart for each of the different types. Now going into our shopping cart page example, very simple. We just have a label that says all the items, a collection view with everything, but this one also has quantity and total price. And then we have properties for total cart price and total number of items in the cart. Then I also wanted to show this, which basically we have a view model, which is very common, but for this, something I did was on appearing, every time it appears, it updates the shopping cart. And let's take a look at that function right here. So as you see, we have our observable collection of products, and then cart price, number of items in cart. We have those as properties. Initialize everything, and this is the function that gets called every time it appears here. And basically, it just clears everything, gets the product variable, gets the shopping cart list, adds it all, calculates cart price, number of items in cart, and then property change, updates it. And so yeah, that was pretty much it for my shopping cart application for our MAUI project 4. Thank you for watching.